guys, Alex Underwood here and welcome back to my channel, my aliens. Today I'm doing a get ready with me in my Mustang because I'm going to a concert later today and we thought we could tailgate all day and we couldn't. So I'm getting ready in a random mall parking lot right now and I figured it'd be fun if you guys got to meet my car for the first time. This is Roxy, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Today I'm going to a Jimmy Buffett concert and I'm so excited. If you don't know who that is, pause the video real quick, go look him up, and then come back because he's, you know, the king of the vacationing adults. I mean, I guess that was a really bad way to say it, but he's really awesome and I love him, and he's an old man and he sings vacation songs about drinking and having fun and living your best life, and it's great because I'm all about living your best life. But if you want to see how I do this look, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going in with shade Extra Creamy from the Too Faced Peanut Butter. Okay, we're going into the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Wow, this must be a Too Faced video. Just doing so much of their products. Why are you flipping me off? What did I even do this time? I don't recall. I'm taking shade Candied Peach and I'm gonna blend that into the crease. High key, I hate holding up a mirror to do my makeup. It's like one of the worst things ever. I'm so privileged with my table mirror. I'm actually gonna blend a little bit of that white onto that so it softens up. Love it. Oh my god, I'm also gonna go in with shade Georgia, which is the pink transition shade I love. I don't know why I didn't go in with this first, but now I'm going in with it again. And I'm just blending that in between the white and the peach. Amazing. Next, I'm going to go in with shade Belini from the same Too Faced palette that I've been using. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. So soft, so pretty. As a YouTuber, staying in frame is the hardest part. No, it's not. I lied. That's not the hardest part. But it's pretty hard.
Clearing space on your computer is the hardest part.
Oh my god. Mason, a round of applause for that one, because the amount of times I've had to try to clear space with my computer, I spent more time doing that than actually editing videos.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting somewhere, guys. We're getting pretty. I'll be there eventually. Choo-choo on our way to Pretty Town. I'm gonna do purple, guys. We're going in with shade Delectable. And I'm gonna drag that under my lash line. Blending that out with shade Georgia, and then I'm going back in with purple and just going back and forth until it's smoked out how I like it. brought this liner. I've never used it before. It's the Ciate Starstruck liner. It's black. And it has a star stamp on this end. I mean, I have no reason to use that today, so I'm not going to. But I did use it before, and it stayed on my hand for like way too many days. So I'm gonna assume this liner is pretty good. But I'm gonna go in with the felt tip sign. The felt tip side, and I'm going to draw a straight line on my lid. See how it's kind of like jagged? I have another felt tip, the Kat Von D one. That doesn't really do that as bad. This one's kind of creating that, and it's a little frustrating. Because I wanted to do some casually as the mall security drives by. There's some other people going to do both behind us. Casually, mall security just drives by while I'm doing my makeup in my car. I'm sure it's not weird. I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix it in a second, but so far, I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna end up having to pull on my eye to fix this liner. I hate when liners make me have to do that, because I shouldn't have to do that to put on my eyeliner, but I have to for this one. Don't do this at home, children. I can watch the wrinkles happening. Yeah, that was kind of heartbreaking having to pull my eye like that. But, you know, I finessed it. I got it to work, but I just wish it would glide on a little bit more smoothly and not as rough, because that was pretty bad. Yikes. I really like their bronzer, so I'm kind of disappointed in that eyeliner. I mean, we'll see how well it lasts and like how long it lasts, but it's already kind of bleeding onto my lid. Wow, okay. So far, I'm not impressed. Roller Lash Mascara. My Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm going in with shade Girl Next Door, and I'm putting that on all the high blinks of my face. Do I have enough highlight? No, I don't. I'm sorry, not enough yet.
Excuse me.
I'm trying to record a YouTube video here. Thank you very much. Everything just about went flying. Mason, could you imagine putting eyeliner on your tight line?
My what?
What I'm doing right now. Could you imagine
Fuck
doing
that. No. You're putting that in your eye.
Yes, I am.
Yeah, fuck that.
I'm technically putting it on the flap of skin between my eyelashes and my eyeball.
Oh.
That's where it goes. It's called a waterline. This is where your eyes water.
And you're putting shit on that?
Yeah. It makes it look more complete and like I have more full lashes. It's an illusion.
It's pretty fire.
I know. Hey guys, I'm gonna go in with some cute little dots all over my face because I'm gonna be wearing a lei on my forehead, so I don't want to put too much face paint on, but I do want something a little different because it's always fun. So I'm gonna go in with some face paints from my Mehron face paint set. I am going in with the shades teal and light pink, and I'm just gonna be putting dots all over my face with this little dotting tool.
You're a pro.
Me?
Yeah.
Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and Roxy today. I had so much fun making this video in my car. I think I should do my makeup in my car more often because this was kind of fun. Granted, I had limited space and was kind of scared to make a mess, but it was still fun and I had so much fun hanging out with you guys. If you guys want to find me when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood. and on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2X's 2017. Don't forget that second X because you won't be able to find me if you don't. And you guys can also look me up on my website, which will always be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications for when I upload. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.